Toyota RAV4 has always been known for its reliability, practicality, and versatility. However, this custom-built Toyota RAV4 takes things to an entirely new level with an aggressive full-heavy body kit, a high-performance engine, and an interior designed for both luxury and sportiness. Painted in a bold metallic orange with black carbon fiber accents, this modified RAV4 is a showstopper on the road and off the beaten path. Exterior: aggressive and bold design. The first thing that grabs attention is the full heavy body kit, which completely transforms the RAV4's look. The front bumper features large air intakes, an extended lower lip, and a blacked-out grille for a sportier and more aggressive stance. The hood is sculpted with functional vents, helping with engine cooling and adding to its rugged appeal. From the side profile, the SUV sits lower with wide fender flares accommodating massive black multi-spoke alloy wheels wrapped in performance off-road tires. The side skirts are custom designed to enhance aerodynamics, while carbon fiber side mirrors add a premium touch. The roof-mounted spoiler is larger than stock, giving it a high-performance look while improving stability at high speeds. At the rear, a custom diffuser and quad exhaust tips hint at the vehicle's upgraded power. The LED taillights have been redesigned with a futuristic touch, and the blacked-out Toyota emblem completes the aggressive appearance. Set against a scenic mountain backdrop during daytime, the metallic orange paint gleams under the sun, making it stand out in any setting. Interior: a perfect balance of luxury and sportiness. Stepping inside, the interior is completely transformed with premium materials and advanced technology. Black leather seats with orange contrast stitching provide a race-inspired yet comfortable feel. The dashboard features carbon fiber trims, and the steering wheel is wrapped in Alcantara with a flat-bottom design and paddle shifters. The center console houses a large touchscreen infotainment system with custom performance settings, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. A fully digital instrument cluster displays real-time driving stats, while ambient LED lighting in orange and blue gives the cabin a futuristic glow. The gear shifter has a metallic finish, and the door panels combine leather, suede, and carbon fiber, creating a high-end feel. Engine bay: a powerhouse under the hood. Under the hood, this RAV4 isn't just for show, it's built for performance. The engine is equipped with a turbocharger, featuring polished aluminum piping and a high-performance intercooler. A high-flow air intake system, reinforced silicone hoses, and a custom-tuned ECU boost power output. A carbon fiber engine cover and an orange-painted valve cover enhance the visual appeal. A custom strut bar increases chassis rigidity, ensuring precise handling on both city streets and mountain roads. The relocated battery improves weight distribution, while LED work lights subtly illuminate the engine bay for a race-ready aesthetic. Conclusion: a RAV4 like no other. This heavily modified Toyota RAV4 is the ultimate expression of power, style, and adventure. From its aggressive exterior to its high-tech interior and performance-tuned engine, every detail is meticulous.